Hello. I want to say a few things about grading. First of all, on quizzes, you have 2 chances to take the quiz, and the final score is an average of your 2 chances. If the first time you take it and you're satisfied with the score, say you get 100, you don't need to take it a second time. The other thing is about discussions. You are required to make 1 posting and twice reply to other people's posting. So your first posting is worth 70 points, and the replies to others are each worth 15 points. That's 70 plus 15 plus 15 for a total of 100. I don't get to all of the responses. It could be Tuesday or Wednesday. So if your grade is 15 on a Tuesday, just wait a little bit longer and I'll get to it. If, however, a week goes by and your grade is still 15, send me an email, because the way Moodle is set up, I can't browse through and check who's been graded and who hasn't. It's really slow and I have to go into each one. So please, give me a chance, but if you really feel that your grade's not fair, then send me an email and I can go in and I will check it. And I ask that you please, if you want me to check your own posting, tell me what the title of it is, and that way I'll be able to go after it. But you can always email me and I'm available. Thank you.